This video right here is going to show you how to download Ixqtv to your Fire Stick. That's coming right up. Hey, what's going on, you guys? This is your boy Jay Joyner, getting ready to show you guys exactly how easy it is to download Ixqtv to your Fire Stick. Let's get started. Alright, so first thing you're going to need to do is very simple, is that if you haven't already, you want to set your Fire Stick up with turning on the ADB debugging and the apps from unknown sources. You want to turn that on too. So this is how you do it. You simply just push the home button on your Fire Stick. It looks like a little house. Once you click the home button, you're going to come to the home screen. Then you're going to just scroll all the way over to settings. Once you're over in the settings, you're going to go over to My Fire TV. Okay, and then from there, once you click on My Fire TV, you'll just scroll down to developer options. Once you click on developer options, you'll just click on the ADB debugging. You'll click that and turn it on, and then you'll click here and be able to turn on this. I'll just turn it on for you and turn it on. I don't want to click on, I'm going to turn on the ADB debugging because this is how I'm able to record my screen. So I can't turn that off right now, but it's very simple. Just click on it and turn it on. All right, so once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is push the home button on your Fire Stick remote, and then you want to go over and then you want to find Downloader, okay? And most of you guys, if you want to know how to download Downloader, there are tons of videos on the internet on how to do it, so I won't go through it, but it's very simple. You're just going to type in DOW, right, in, all right, DOW in. And as soon as, a lot of times you do that, you'll see that Downloader is already down here. Once you click on it, Downloader will pop up. Once you download it, finish downloading Downloader, it's very simple. You're just going to open it up. Okay, once you open it up, what I like to do is go all the way over here and go all the way down to settings and click on settings, and then just turn on the JavaScript. It just makes whatever you turn on the internet, it just makes it just a lot easier for it to work. Okay, so then from there we'll go back up to home, and then we'll just scroll all the way over and move our cursor right there to the last /, and then we're going to type in okay. Once you type that in, it's very simple. You just go down to go. Then it's going to instantly start downloading. Once you finish downloading it, you want to just click on, go down to install and click install. So now we're here. Very easy. All we're going to do is come over to open. And that's it. Click the link in the description or the button below and start your free trial today.